What's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
There's glitter.
You've made quite a life for yourself, Heather.
Huh.
You must be very proud.
Oh. Stay away from here. Stay away from here now. Don't come in here. Whatever you hear, stay away. John Doe has the upper hand. Number 11. Woo! Hey guys. Okay, so I know that was super corny and goofy and silly, but you know, hey, that's just me. I like to have fun with things. Welcome to the Handmade Ornament Exchange 2025 unboxing. I'm opening a one-of-a-kind ornament all the way from Las Vegas from Cheryl Hendrick. This is such a cool way to connect and share our passions with fellow makers. We make an ornament by hand, and then we connect with another maker around the country. We ship out our ornaments, and we get to see what they look like on camera and for all of you to see. Be sure to watch the full playlist, like and subscribe, and comment below for some fun and free paper projects. Make sure to head to my website, journaljambox.com, links in the description, and sign up for the email waitlist. I'm going to be starting a subscription box coming in the new year, so please join me. Even if you don't, I've got some cool, fun, free printables and some tutorials for you to watch. Oh, look at, wow. I believe that is glass. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Let me make sure y'all can see. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? How in the world? What talent. Look at this. That is so pretty. Thank you, Cheryl. I love it. And it will go in my living room on my tree this season. Thank you, everyone who watched. Don't forget, again, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I'd like to know what you thought of all this craziness. And please make sure that you do watch the full playlist and support all of us makers. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.